what does it mean if someone sues for a specific performance?
First of all, a contract is considered to be performed when all parties have done everything required by the contract. When one party fails to perform, the contract is breached. The wronged party is allowed to sue for specific performance. When suing for specific performance, the party is asking the court to force the defaulting party to perform on the contract. Here's an example. Harry has put up his property for sale. Tom has agreed to buy it. Tom and Harry enter into a sales contract. However, Tom has decided not to buy the property after all. Harry then sues for a specific performance, and if he's successful, the court will force Tom to do what's required in the contract he signed, namely, purchase Harry's property. That's what it means when someone sues for specific performance.